Aloe vera. Just the name conjures up images of soothing balms and miraculous healing. This succulent plant with its fleshy leaves and spiky edges is more than just a pretty face. For centuries it has been prized for its medicinal properties, earning its rightful title as a miracle plant. In your home, on your windowsill, aloe vera can thrive. It's easy to care for and even easier to use. This remarkable plant offers a wealth of benefits for your health and well-being. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of aloe vera. From its ancient origins to its modern-day applications, we'll uncover the secrets that make this plant a must-have for every home. Let's discover the magic of aloe vera together. The use of aloe vera can be traced back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, recognized its potent healing properties. Egyptian queens used it for beauty, calling it the plant of immortality. They believed it held the secrets to eternal youth and beauty. The ancient Greeks used it as a medicinal plant. They treated wounds, burns, and infections with its soothing gel. Today, aloe vera is still a popular remedy. It's found in countless health and beauty products worldwide. Aloe vera is a succulent plant. This means it stores water in its leaves. These leaves are thick, fleshy, and edged with small spikes. The plant itself is quite hardy. It thrives in warm, dry climates and requires minimal watering. Inside the leaves lies the treasure, the aloe vera gel. This clear, gooey substance is packed with nutrients. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are all found in abundance within this remarkable gel. It's no wonder aloe vera is renowned for its healing and rejuvenating properties. Section 4. Nature's Healer Aloe Vera's Health Benefits. Aloe vera is a true gift from nature. Its health benefits are plentiful and widely recognized. The gel possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it incredibly effective in soothing burns, cuts, and skin irritations. It's also a digestive aid. Aloe vera juice can help soothe digestive discomfort and promote a healthy gut. Beyond these benefits, aloe vera can boost the immune system, detoxify the body, and even help regulate blood sugar levels. Incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine can lead to a healthier and more vibrant you. Section 5. Aloe vera, your skin's best friend. The beauty industry has long embraced the power of aloe vera, and for good reason. Aloe vera is a boon for the skin. Its moisturizing properties are exceptional. Aloe vera gel can hydrate and soothe dry, flaky skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Acne sufferers also benefit from aloe vera's healing touch. It helps to reduce inflammation and redness, promoting clearer skin. The anti-aging properties of aloe vera are an added bonus. It can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, revealing a more youthful complexion. From moisturizers to face masks, aloe vera is a staple ingredient in countless skincare products. Section 6. Growing aloe vera at home. A rewarding experience. One of the best things about aloe vera is how easy it is to grow at home. It requires minimal care and thrives in a sunny spot. Choose a wide pot with good drainage. Aloe vera prefers well-draining soil. Water deeply, but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. When you need to use some of its gel, simply cut off a mature leaf from the base of the plant. You can store the rest of the leaf in the refrigerator for later use. Growing your own aloe vera ensures you have a fresh supply of this miracle plant whenever you need it. It's a rewarding experience that brings nature's healing touch right into your home. Aloe vera, with its ancient roots and modern-day relevance, truly lives up to its reputation as a miracle plant. Whether you're seeking to soothe a sunburn, enhance your skincare routine, or simply enjoy the benefits of a healthy and vibrant plant in your home, aloe vera is an excellent choice. Consider adding this versatile and beneficial plant to your life and experience the magic it holds for yourself.